What is going on, everybody? Hope everyone is doing well. All right, today is the day we get another modification done. Oh man, this Yukon is coming together really cool. So we got the winch tray put in, which super spectacular. And now it's time for sliders. You got that right, sliders. All right, so I'm not going with your typical normal sliders. All right, so because I do have a family and I have 3 little girls, my wife and her grandmother, as the truck is slowly getting higher, I need to make sure that there's some kind of steps for them to climb up into the truck. And the stock steps, they're made out of plastic. And you saw in that last video when we went out onto Minden Hydro Trail, I actually caused a little bit of damage to those steps. So the sliders that I'm going with, they are by Trail Gear. So I ended up going with the 78-inch slider because honestly, that was perfect. So I did some research on some forums to find out what would be good for this truck. And it seems that a lot of the Tacoma stuff, or a lot of the 4Runner stuff and Tacoma stuff actually works with this truck. So I think, now correct me if I'm wrong, but I think what it is that these particular sliders were actually designed for a Tacoma or for a 4Runner. But whatever the point is, 78 inches, and that's literally perfect from right there, where is it? To right there. 78 inches to the dot. And then it came with 4 legs, or 4 of the extension pieces that you would either weld or bolt to the frame, going to the actual slider itself. Those ones are adjusted. They actually do need some welding done. Now it's been like 15 years since I actually did any welding whatsoever. So this will be coming back to my roots, and I'm kind of excited for it. Really, it's been a long time. Actually, I do enjoy welding. All right, so as usual, we have a trip coming up and I got to get these things on there. Not a lot of time. Wow, this is, I really hope that this is not a normal thing for me. All right, let's start it. So I have these pieces that cut down a little bit. This one, I actually cut it at 10 1/4. And then these ones over here, I did it 88 inches, but I did it from the bevel, the inside of the lowest part. So from there to there is 8 inches. So now I have the welder hooked up to the inverter. I have everything all squared off, and I'm about to place a tack. Just cross your fingers, hopefully that inverter will handle this welder. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out on how to get the proper distance between the step and the actual body itself. So what I figured is strap these 2 pieces of plywood together. So this is a 3/4 inch. Yeah, 3/4 inch plywood, and then a 1/4 inch plywood, which makes 1 inch. Zip tie it, and then, so where I am aligning it is actually up to this fold right there. And so it's in there, and then coming to take a look, that bar right there looks to be a little close to the bodywork, or to the body itself. So I may drop it down a little bit more, maybe get 2 of those plywoods of the 3/4 inch, make 1.5 inch, so that way it's a 1.5 inch drop. But I don't want to go too low, or else I'm gonna lose height, right? I want to try to either stay a little bit higher than the frame itself. But right now what I've noticed is that out of the 3 legs, there's going to be 4. I have to figure out a way of how to mount that 4th leg. But out of the 3 right now, this middle one, no, that middle one is actually too long. So I'm gonna pull it out, put it on the vise, grind it down, make everything even. Okay, I just want to point out one thing over here is that I am so happy that I have this vise, this trailer hitch vise. This thing has come in handy on so many occasions, it's not even funny. Oh man, look at this. Definitely going to be doing a review on it very soon. I've had this vise now for about maybe 3 months, but never really did. I don't know if I did an unboxing. I don't think I did an unboxing. No, I didn't. Anyways, it's okay. But definitely after this project that I'm doing with the sliders, I'm definitely going to be doing a review on this thing. This thing has been awesome to me. All right, so that is it for the video. I hope you guys truly enjoyed it. Let me tell you, this is one of the biggest projects that I've ever done, and it turned out awesome. I know that the steps are muddy and a little bit dirty. We did a trail, we just came back from the trail, and it survived the trail. And let me tell you, I'm proud. I'm proud. A lot of sweat, a lot of struggle, and just a lot of work went into this, and I'm just super happy about it. What do you think about the steps?
It's amazing.
Yeah? All right, until the next time, stay safe. Who knows, maybe we'll see you out there.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye. Peace out.
Oh, wow. Okay, let's turn this way and get blinded.